everyone, welcome to Pably. If you are running a restaurant and want to know what your customers really think about your food, then this video is for you. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up a WhatsApp chatbot for feedback on a restaurant's menu. Whether it's about taste, variety, pricing or presentation, this video will help you to understand what your customers really feel. So let's dive into my screen for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I am going to show you how to set up a WhatsApp chatbot for feedback on a restaurant menu. Most restaurants rely on a verbal feedback or a paper-based comment cards, which are often ignored, lost, or too vague to be useful. As a result, valuable opinions go unheard. Dishes that customers dislike remain on the menu. So this chatbot is going to gather structured, real-time customer feedback on individual menu items through an automated chatbot on WhatsApp, helping restaurants continuously improve their offerings, services, quality, and customer experience. So let's start building a chatbot. But firstly, I am going to show you the realistic work of a chatbot. For that, let's dive into my WhatsApp with me. You can see I have opened my WhatsApp and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pably Chatflow account. So now let's type a message hello here. As I am entering the message hello, I am getting an automated reply that is, hi, welcome to XYZ restaurant. We would love your feedback on our menu. Which section would you like to give feedback on? And we are getting three buttons, that is starters, main course and desserts. Now let's select starters here. As I'm selecting starters, it is asking me to enter my name and my mobile number. So now let's enter the name and mobile number here. I have entered a name and a mobile number here. As soon as I'm entering the details, it is asking me to choose an option and we are getting three buttons, that is I loved it, it was okay, not satisfied. Now let's select I loved it. Once I'm selecting I loved it, it is asking me to share a quick review. Now let's write a quick review here. Here I have provided a review and after that I am getting a thank you message, that is thank you so much for your kind words, you made our day brighter. Now let's select our another option, that is it was okay. After selecting it was okay, it is providing me a message and asking me to write a review. So now let's write a review. Here I have provided a review and I am getting a message that is thank you for your valuable suggestions, we are working hard to be even better. Now let's select our another option, that is main course. As I'm selecting main course, again it is asking me to enter my name and mobile number. After entering the name and mobile number, it is asking me to choose the option for the main course. So now let's select I loved it. After selecting I loved it, it is asking me to enter a quick review. Here I am providing a review and now I am getting a thank you message. So here you can see our chatbot is working properly. You can also create a feedback chatbot like this for your restaurant menu. For that, you have to use Pably Chatflow. For accessing Pably Chatflow, you have to type its URL, that is www.pably.com/chatflow. After entering the URL, you will get the landing page of Pably and here you can see you are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free, and if you are an existing user, you can just click on sign in. After entering the URL, you will get this page and here you can see these are the apps provided by Pably. For creating your chatbot, you just need to access Pably Chatflow and here you can see we are getting the option for Pably Chatflow app and we are getting two buttons, that is access now and learn more. For accessing the Pably Chatflow, you just have to click on access now. After clicking on access now, you will get the dashboard page of Pably and here you can see I have already added a WhatsApp number. You can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on add WhatsApp number. And if you want to create your own folder, you can just click on create a new folder and create your own folders. On the sidebar, you can see we are getting many features provided by Pably. The first one we are getting is inbox. This is the section where we receive messages from our user and we send them automated reply. Now another one we are getting is contacts. You can manage your contact list here. Now next one we are getting is team queues. You can manage the team access for managing the chatbot here. Another one we are getting is templates. If you want to create your own templates, you can just click here and create your own templates. Now next one we are getting is broadcast. If you want to broadcast your any messages, you can just click here. Now another one we are getting is flows. Flows are the one which are going to help us to create our chatbot. Now next we are getting AI assistant. You can add your own AI assistant here. Now let's enroll to another option, that is settings. You can manage your settings according to you here. Now the last one we are getting is get help. If you need any type of help or support, you can just click on get help. Now for creating a chatbot, we just need to access flows. For that, just click on flows. Once you click on flows, you will get this flow builder page and here you can see these are the flows created by me. For creating your own flow, you just have to click on add flow button. Once you click on add flow, you will get this flow page and here you can see we are getting the flow start node. If you want to provide a name to your flow or just want to edit the name of your flow, you can just do it here. I have provided it the name how to set up a WhatsApp chatbot for feedback on a restaurant menu. You can also enter the name of your flow according to you. Now moving on to flow start node, you are getting the option for entering the keywords. So what are keywords? Keywords are basically the triggers which a user can enter. You can enter as many as keywords you want. Now another one we are getting is regex. Regex are nothing but complex keywords which a user can enter. Now at last we are getting the option for choose template. If you want to add a template to your message, you can just click here and add the template. Now I am going to enter some keywords here such as hi, hello. I have entered a keyword that is hi. Now I am going to enter another keyword that is hello. Let's enter some regex, that is complex keywords. I have entered two regex here, that is food and taste. You can also enter the regex according to your chatbot. Now if a user sends me a message or enters a keyword, I want to provide them a message. For that, just drag and drop, and here you can see you are getting the option for text plus button, media, list, single product message, multi-product message and template. For providing a message, you just have to select text plus button. You can also add this message node by selecting text plus button here. Here you can see I have entered a message for my user. Now I am going to create some buttons. For that, just click on add button and enter the text of your button. I have created my first button, that is starters. Now I am going to create my another button. For that, just click on add button and enter the text of your second button. I have created my second button, that is main course. Now I am going to create my third button. For that, just click on add button and create your third button. I have created my third button, that is desserts. Now if my user selects any of the option, I want to ask them about their name and mobile number. For that, you just have to go to actions here, and here you can see you are getting the option for ask question. Just click on ask question and the question node will appear. Here you can see I have entered a message asking about the name and the mobile number of the customer. Now I am going to select contact custom fields. You can see these are the contact custom fields I have created. You can also create your own contact custom field. For that, you just have to go to settings, and here you can see you are getting the option for contact custom fields. So just click here and create your own contact custom fields. Here I am going to select the contact custom field as description, and the format of contact custom field would be any. Now I am going to connect all these three buttons with the question node. So now just connect starters with the question node and another buttons also, that is main course and desserts. Now if the user selects any of the option, we are going to ask them about their name and mobile number. Now if the user enters their details, I want to provide them a message. For that, just drag and drop and select text plus button. Now you can enter the message here. I have entered a message here regarding the feedback. Now I am going to create some buttons. For that, just click on add button and enter the text of your button. I have created my first button, that is I loved it. Now I am going to create my another button. For that, just click on add button and create your second button, that is it was okay. Now I am going to create my third button. For that, just click on add button and enter the text of your third button. I have created my third button, that is not satisfied. Now here you can see I have provided a message to my customer and created three buttons for the feedback. Now if my user selects any of the option, I want to ask them about their review. For that, I am going to click on ask question. Now let's connect this I loved it button with this question node. Here I have entered a message asking to share a quick review. Now let's select our contact custom field as description here, and the format would be any. Now if the user provides me a quick review, I want to send them a message. For that, just drag and drop and select text plus button here and enter the message. Here I have entered a thank you message for my user. Now let's take reviews from our customers if they are okay with the food items. For that, firstly we are going to ask them to share a quick review. For that, just go to ask question and click on it, and here you can see we have got this question node. Now just connect this it was okay button with the question node, and now let's enter the message. Here I have entered a message for my user asking about the review. Now let's select the contact custom field as suggestions, and the format would be text here. Here you can see it is asking me to enter the number. This is the number of attempt you want to provide to your customer, and after that you can enter the validation message also. Now if the user provides me review, I want to send them a message. For that, just drag and drop and select text plus button here. Here you can see I have entered a message for my user. Now let's enhance our flow and take feedback from our customer if they are not satisfied with the food items. For that, firstly I am going to ask them about their review. So just click on ask question, and you have got this question node here. Now let's connect our not satisfied button with this question node, and in this question node I am going to enter a message. Here I have entered a message for the user user and ask them to enter the review. Now let's select contact custom field here. Now I am going to select rating as my contact custom field and the format would be any. Now let's provide a message to our user if they provide us review. For that, just drag and drop and select text plus button here. Now you can enter the message here. Here you can see I have entered a thank you message for my user and this is the flow we have created. You can also create your own chatbot by making flows like this for taking feedbacks from your customers. Now let's save our flow. For that, you just have to click on save. Once you click on save, a pop-up will appear in front of you that is flow updated successfully. Means you have successfully saved your flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving the messages from our user and how our automated replies are sent to them, let me take you to my inbox. For that, you just have to click on inbox here. Once you click on inbox, this inbox section will appear in front of you and this is the customer's number I have added. You can see we have successfully received the messages from our user and our automated replies are successfully sent or delivered to them. You can also create a chatbot like this for your business. So start using Pabbly Chatflow now and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more chatbots like this. Thank you for watching this video. You can create multiple chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any price related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So go and create your WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.